Okay, welcome. Let's see what we got for today. For British pound, Japanese yen, just being careful because we're sitting on a demand zone, 4 hour demand zone, but on this 1 hour territory or the territory on the 1 hour time frame, we are in a seller's territory. Okay, so it's just like a nested loop where this is going up and we have this coming down. So what do you do if you have a structure like this? Simple. You wait for one of them to overpower the other one. It's as simple as that. You cannot take something from a stronger person. Okay? It's just like going to fight Mike Tyson at his prime. Doesn't make sense. So what we're going to do now is for just like yesterday, I was not optimistic about taking a buy or a sell. I was just like, okay, let's play it cool. Let's see what goes on, and what goes on is still going on, which is no clean price action, unlike all these times where it was trending. At the moment, GJ has gone on hiatus, sabbatical leave. So what we're going to do is just um let it play out, let it fizzle out. When it gives us a clean price action, then we jump on it. Okay. I'm not gonna run jump on these buys. Neither am I just going to take the sales because we are in this demand zone. I want to see clean price action. So the daily forecast perhaps for tomorrow will indicate some hope, but for today there is nothing, absolutely nothing, nada, zip, zero, king come, nothing to say there is hope. I'm just feeling nasty today. So let's go ahead to beat gold. Yeah, gold played out beautifully as anticipated. Gold played out beautifully where we were looking at cells. One group of cells could occur below here, and I was really like, okay, be careful of this zone, which price sort of reacted from. Then another group of area to be concerned is here, but on the break of this low, the one split further deep, and it played out beautifully, and it played out, just kept dipping. So by the moment for gold, I am just being very careful because um the US dollar has been crazily strong lately. Okay, so I don't want to just jump on it. I want to see if we can get some retracement before dipping again. Okay, price has made this low. Now we wait to see if we can get some retracement. If you look at this very well, this was so at some time this was the retracement. So let's see if we can get some retracement before dipping. But if we continue dipping, let's see if we can get some interesting areas to take the cells. As you can see, there is clear weakness from the sellers. You see this bottom wick is creating. So let's see some retracement before dipping further. But whichever one comes is no big deal. So at the moment, I can't categorically give a buy or a sell position. We are clearly in seller's territory. But let's see what price will give us today. I'm not going to say, okay, take sell on the break of this low to go down. Let's wait for volume, but sales on the break of this low with stop loss above the structure looks green, looks beautiful. So scenario one could be if we dip down, we'll continue going down for sales with the target being this low, which we are almost close to here. This level or this zone will be our target. Then if we come above here, we could say, okay, let's take some counter trend buys to go up. Okay, this will be scenario two, counter trend. This is scenario one in the direction of the overall trend, which is the seller's territory. Okay, so let's see which one comes first. But whichever case, don't forget we're in seller's territory. Okay, So this is what I got on gold. Let's see what we get on Bitcoin. Bitcoin was nasty yesterday. I don't blame it. Looking at the fundamentals, Elon Musk sold 75% of his Bitcoin holdings, which amassed him $939 million. Yeah, $1 million. That was valued at 2 billion one time ago. So that could influence the price of Bitcoin. He's one of the big whales, optimistic persons, or he's an optimist when it comes to cryptocurrency. Another thing we could look at is the strength of US dollars fundamentally across board. See how gold is dipping, Bitcoin dipping. If you check US dollar, Swiss franc, it will be rallying. If you check any currency that has US dollars as its base currency, all the price action will be showing bullish. If you have anyone that has, for instance, X slash US dollar, you will see they'll be going what? Down. Like this one, X slash US dollar. If we have US dollar slash X, you will see up. For instance, if you check Euro US dollar, price should be going down. You check US dollar Swiss franc, price will be going up. US dollar yen, okay. So US dollar yen are both safe haven currency, but US dollar is stronger at the moment. So if we look at this, gold, Bitcoin was supposed to, all I needed was one extra bullish candle to take me up. But now it decided to go the opposite direction. And what I normally do is it's either XL, as in stop loss SL, or TP. I don't want to tamper with my trade. So yesterday the trade gave me my lesson for a long time, after a long time. So for today, we are seeing some retracement. Let's see if after this retracement we'll continue down. We are in this minor zone. We are in sellers territory, but overall we are in buyers territory. Look at this demand block here, demand order block. Okay, so let's see what price is going to do when it taps into this hot oil, if it's going to evaporate. So but for Bitcoin, I'm just going to wait to see what price will print. Right now Bitcoin is showing clear price action for sales. On the break of this, we'll be looking for potential buys to go up. So this is scenario one in the direction of the trend. This is scenario two in direction opposite the trend, unless you want to look at it that Z1 should be the direction of the trend, which we're in sellers territory at the moment. Then Z2 should be direction opposite the trend, which overall we are in buyers territory. This zone, okay, this zone buyers territory, or this zone sellers territory, which is initiated by this guy here. You see that this hand is smaller than this hand, so you expect this hand to be stronger compared to this hand. So let's see whichever one comes first. So that is it on Bitcoin, gold, and British pound, Japanese yen. Nothing much for today. Let's see what Thursday is going to give. If nothing happens, we chill. Okay, we are not going to force the market's hand to give us something. We chill. We don't want to lose our capital. We don't want to be too optimistic and end up losing or converting billions to millions. Okay, so that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button, comment, and like. Very important so that you stay on top of the game and ahead of your foes or mates or trading partners. Anyway, all love from me. Peace.